What's up, y'all? How you doing? So it's been a few days since we've posted a video, and yes, I know it sucks. I hate it. I hate it so much. But as you guys know, we moved into the new shop, and now that we're fully moved in, we're just waiting on them to finish the light renovations to the place so we can start actually settling in and putting stuff where we need it. So we're kind of at the mercy of the workers, and the last couple days, I know it's been a holiday, but they've been dragging their feet so bad, and it looks like it's gonna be at least another week until they finish, which is super frustrating. So just be patient with me for like another week or so till we can actually start doing fun things once again. But we gotta film something. I wanna make a video, and I hope you guys will still enjoy it today. So I've been dying to literally get anything done in that bay. I'm kind of at the mercy of these workers, but I figured we could at least start power washing the floors today. I've been really excited to do it. I don't know about you guys, but I think power washing is probably one of like the most satisfying things to watch, especially on a floor that is just covered in dust. So the floors are just stained with all this compacted like fire extinguisher dust, and I've been dying to see how it comes off. So today we're gonna go buy a power washer. We're at Home Depot right here. I've needed one for a long time, and we're just gonna start doing things because I'm dying, I'm getting eager, I'm getting impatient, and we need to get to work. Let's go spend some money. It's always really awkward bringing a big bulky camera into a store like this, especially when you're by yourself, but maybe one day I'll get used to it. So Ryobi sounds a little suspect. Powered by Honda, kinda has me sold. She's about to hit 100K. It's a big milestone. Yes, 100K, we hit it. Truck's officially an old piece of crap. Woo! I don't know why I'm excited about that. It's not a good thing. So let's see if they got anything done in the last 3 days. Nope. Looks exactly the same. They're slacking. But if you guys haven't seen the last video, they did get the walls painted. At least this one. This one has to get painted again. The walls got painted up, also got painted up front, and then they fully sheetrocked in the whole entrance. So it does look a lot better than it did when I first moved in. They have been putting work in, but they've definitely slowed down momentum because they need to get this whole thing painted. They're gonna tear that floor up, and then of course, all the electrical work is gonna be the biggest pain in the ass. So I'm gonna have to move everything back out of the garage just to move it right back in. So we're gonna use the power of YouTube for this one. All right, we got it all together. This thing looks great, I'm happy. This thing looks like a nice unit. I'm pretty pumped on it. So let's fire up and see how she works. I also went and stole Tucker, so I finally have some company. You're stuck with me now. I might just steal Tucker for good. So it works, and it seems like it's working pretty good. So I didn't even show you guys. Look at the floor. Look at this stuff. I don't know if you could tell on camera, but this is basically all like compacted dust or whatever you guys want to call it. I think it's fire extinguisher dust because it was a building for fire equipment, and it's just all caked on. Let's get a good before and after and check all the stains out. Really hoping to get rid of like the yellowing, get rid of all of this nonsense, and just have like a nice clean bare concrete. A lot of you guys want me to paint the floors. I don't want to. It's just so much money, and I'd rather take the money to paint the floors and put it somewhere else in the building, like tools. Alright, so it looks like it might not be as easy as I thought. So it definitely looks a lot better, but it's not coming off nearly as easy as I thought it would. I thought this stuff would kind of just become soluble in water and just kind of push itself off, but it looks like it's not going to happen. So we're going to try out some soap and see if that helps. If not, it looks like we're gonna have to get down and dirty and start scrubbing all of these floors.
Got that red dot, kid! Gratata!
So it looks like it helped a little bit in like this one concentrated area, probably because I swept the hardest here, but this stuff is a lot harder to get off than I anticipated. So I looked it up, what a lot of people use to get the stuff off. People use vinegar very often, and or like an isopropyl alcohol, which makes sense. I'm gonna try and just let the soap saturate for a little bit longer, and then brush it off. That sound like a plan?
Sounds good to me.
Because I feel like that stuff works pretty good.
It definitely did something.
So after all that, it kind of did something. It's not bad. You like really have to brush it off here to get any type of contact, but it doesn't look too much better.
Scrub that in.
Oh my God, what is this? I think this is working. So we're gonna try some CLR. And it looks like it's working pretty good. Moments later, it didn't really do too much. It looked like it was, but I don't know what the hell is going on here. That's the whole theme of this video. You guys have seen it. This stuff does not want to come off. It's definitely a powder. Like it almost looks like it's coming off the floor and then settling back down even after we squeegee it. I'm gonna go nuts. I just do an overall spray and just call it stained. I don't know. I gotta call someone. We tried vinegar, we tried the descaling stuff, we tried soap and water, we tried warm water, we tried it all. All right, we did one more pass. What do you guys think? Does it look better? There's still these freaking spots that just won't come off. This is killing me. I'm exhausted. It sucks. LZ was here like 5 hours ago. Let's see if he noticed a difference. We'll see.
In the truck.
Hey.
What?
Can you tell me if there's a noticeable difference at all? Because you haven't seen it in like 5 hours.
What, the floors?
Yeah.
I don't want to be the bearer of bad news.
Just come look at it, Adam.
Look.
Get that mustache in there.
I'm tired. Give me caffeine. Alright, so which have you done? So you've done this, right?
Yeah.
It's tough because the floors are so gross. Like, not like all the stuff on them and stuff, you know? Like, it's hard to compare apples to oranges. Yeah, I mean, there's no dust on my hand.
Roll around in it and see if you're dirty or not.
Actually, that's a great idea, Jimmy.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna try and just clean off as much as I can right now with as much exposed concrete as we have. And tomorrow I'm gonna go see if I could actually rent a machine that actually has like the orbital on it that will almost cut and grind the concrete. Probably be expensive, but it'll be worth it. Just get it done while I have the opportunity to, because nothing else is happening down here. So frustrating, but at least my friends are here to help, which is really good because I'm exhausted. Ready to get to work?
I want to go go-karting, but no one will go with me.
Well, we gotta do some squeaky things first.
You're gonna be here forever, and then everyone else is gonna have to come, and they don't have enough carts.
I'm gonna spray it, and as I spray it, you guys squeegee it, all right?
Are you ready?
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, squeegee! I'm dying.
This isn't water from the power washer, it's all sweat.
Oh, my camera's warm. It's been filming for so long. You guys are doing great. Appreciate all of you, every single one. Especially you, Mike.
Come on, Bob. Get back to work.
This is what it's come to. What's my new nickname?
Trash.
Dumpster Jim. That's me.
That's messed up.
Catch me crawling.
Isn't that how you get AIDS?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, okay.
All right, so we just went hard. We tried. We really, really tried. And it doesn't really look that much better. Maybe it does to you guys, I don't know. Here it is. Power wash, living crap out of it. We tried 17 different type of chemicals. We had everyone in here trying to make it work, and I mean, I really just think the floor's stained at this point. There's a lot of just paint and shit. It's a mess. I'm so upset. I'm like extremely upset. But there is a machine I can rent for this, and I'm gonna go try and rent it tomorrow, and hopefully it's not too much money. And I feel like I just wasted my whole entire, I've been literally doing this for like 7 hours. It might not look like it, but no, it's been more than that. It's probably been 8 or 9 hours of straight power wash, greasy power wash. But I tried, so hope you guys still liked today's video. We tried, we really did. And I mean, at the end of it, it is cleaner. It brought the whole family together. But I needed a power washer, so I'm happy I bought it. But we're gonna end it, we're gonna call it quits, try again tomorrow, and hopefully we'll have better news next time. So we're just gonna end it here. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Steffi.
You know I suck at this.
All right, have a good night.